Imagine, just one image. Yes, a simple image, but after a few seconds, it transforms into a living video. It moves, it breathes, and it tells a story. Not editing, not visual trickery. This is artificial intelligence, but in a completely different way. Before you think you've seen everything in the world of AI, let me tell you one thing. This website will make you rethink everything from scratch. Stay with me, because what's coming may surprise you more than you expect. Video creation today is exhausting. It takes time, complex tools, technical expertise, and sometimes a big budget. How many times have you had a brilliant idea, but stopped because you didn't have an editing team? Or because the software was too complicated? Or because inspiration got lost among endless settings? Right here. This is where Domo AI steps in. But wait, because what it offers is not just turning an image into a video. Domo AI, a creative artificial intelligence platform designed specifically for content creators, for creatives, for anyone who wants to tell a story in their own way. The idea is simple, and the result? Stunning. You take an image, add your artistic touch, and turn it into a dynamic video that carries your style. Not the cold style of artificial intelligence. But this is only the surface. What truly sets Domo AI apart? Not just animation, but creative control. You can choose the artistic style, control the motion, add a cinematic feel, customize the result to fit your story. And the best part? You can add automatic subtitles to your video. Perfect for YouTube, for Reels, for TikTok, and for any platform you can think of. But the real question is it difficult to use? Let me show you. The process is so easy it feels suspicious. First, you enter the Domo AI website. Second, you upload the image you want to transform. Third, you choose the video style, the look, the motion, and the artistic touch. Then, you press just one button, and within moments, the image turns into a ready-made video. No complexity, no technical expertise, no headache. But pay attention, this is where the real fun begins. First section, and the most important, AI video. This is where the real magic happens. Key features include image to video. You take a single image and turn it into a moving scene. A standing character? They start breathing, looking around, hair moving, as if they stepped out of a movie. There are two models available. One fast model for regular scenes, and one advanced high-precision model, ideal for films, anime, and complex scenes. Video to video. Here you can change the entire video style in just 2 steps. A normal video can become clay cartoon style, PS2 game style, Chinese ink art, pixel art. Same motion, same scene, but a completely different visual world. Talking avatar. Got an image? Domo AI can make it talk. Lip movements synced with audio, facial expressions, eye movement. Perfect for characters, short films, or even storytelling content. Frames to video. You combine 2 to 8 images, and the platform creates smooth transitions between them and turns them into a full video. Like watching a dream transform before your eyes. If you are a content creator, a YouTuber, a digital marketer, an artist, or even a beginner who wants to enter the world of video, then Domo AI was designed for you. Want short videos? Available. Want storytelling content? Available. Want your own unique style? That's the core goal. But can it really be relied on? The real difference is that Domo AI doesn't make videos instead of you. It makes them with you. You are the director, you are the storyteller, and it is the tool. This is what most AI tools today are missing. But before I wrap up, let me tell you this. If you enjoy this kind of tool, and you don't want to miss any website or technology that changes the rules of the game, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel now, and activate the bell because what's coming will be even stronger. And don't go anywhere, because in the next video, I'll test Domo AI in a real scenario and reveal the results with no filters. In a world where content has become king, tools make the difference. And Domo AI might be your next tool to turn your ideas into unforgettable scenes. The link is in the description. Try it for yourself. But the question now is, how will you use it?